Today we have lots of Kinder surprises. Wow, it's gonna be fun. So be with us. You wanna see a lot of fun? Really candy toys. We have so many toys.
Wow, what you have here? You have too many Kinder eggs. Wow, that's too much.
Well,
Too much. Wow, Kinder surprise. I have too many Kinder surprise.
1, 2,
That chicken
3,
give a lot.
4, 5, 6,
How many chicken you have in the
8,
house?
9, 10, 11, 12,
All
13, 14,
this.
15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18.
18. We still have more a lot here. So all of this eggs belong one chicken. I can't believe it.
Back, back, back,
Back.
back, back.
We still have a lot.
No, it's pooping out some more eggs. No, we have too many eggs.
Wow, we still have
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
I got you, baby. I got you ready. Ready? Princess of the candy.
Yeah.
I got you, baby. We still have a lot. Can you account for me?
I can't.
No, you have to try a little bit.
I'm just going to open one.
Try to account first. Should you try? Don't you? Try.
Do you think we should open these?
Yeah, we're gonna open, but you have to try to account it. So the kids can learn
I
the
think
numbers.
we just squeeze it because it's a wrapper.
Wow. You just happy for the chocolate inside or for the surprise? Be honest with me.
Surprise.
No. Can you shake it to see if they have eggs inside? Maybe you're gonna open it and you see the eggs.
I hear the surprise shaking. Should you try? Don't you? Try.
Try. You know, some people here copy us. We have a chicken here.
Wow.
Okay, hold it. Also, oh, let me see. Oh, can you hear? Oh, I hear something inside. Something going on inside. I feel maybe something gonna bite my finger. No.
I think it's gonna be a baby chicken.
Yeah, baby chicken. Whis.
Yeah, baby chicken.
Wow, that's crazy, man.
It's gonna be a baby chicken.
You think it's gonna be baby chicken?
Yeah, it's gonna be a baby chicken. Oh no, the chicken!
No, I'm afraid it's gonna something, you know, to beat me up, you know.
Oh, you'll give it to me.
No.
It's not gonna be nothing dangerous, maybe.
No, you sure? I don't think so. Maybe chicken. Wow, maybe chicken. Wow, that's chicken. That chicken.
That chicken is bad.
That chicken.
Chicken.
That chicken maybe inside there. I can't believe it. Oh, the sheep. Wow, I heard beep too. Sheep. Can you hear?
Yeah.
Maybe there's a lot of things inside. Can you try this one? Wow, this one will be horse. This one have horse inside.
That one has a chicken and a sheep, and that one has a horse. Wow, this is gonna be fun.
And this is donkey inside.
Donkey. Chicken.
This is not chicken, rooster.
Rooster.
Yeah, this is a rooster.
The rooster wakes up the farmer in the morning by making that.
How about this one? Oh, duck.
Duck.
Wow, this one has duck inside. Wow, it's so.
That's one of the animals that we got that live in the ocean.
Oh my God, this means we have a lot of animals here.
Yeah.
We have like a zoo.
Yeah.
Let's run before they come to eat us. I'm afraid.
No, animal.
Wow, oh my God, it's gonna be a horrible night.
No, those animals only eat animal food. If it was like a lion, it would eat us.
See, this is a baby chicken.
No, baby bird.
You sure?
Baby bird, so cute. Baby bird, so cute.
Oh my God.
Oh
Frog?
my God, the frog is gonna hop on our heads.
Let's see what's we have inside this one. Maybe. Can you hear? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow! Let's run! Wow!
Let's run!
Oh my God! Oh, can you hear anything now?
No.
So can you try this one? Maybe we don't need this box here. We're gonna try this box. This box maybe has better animals. Maybe we can find food inside these eggs here. Egg surprise.
Let's open this one first.
Wow.
I think that one has the lion.
No. The line is here in the bottom. This one in the top maybe something better. No, we hope it's not. Can you hear?
So you open
Can you
one.
hear me?
So you open one
It's
and
shaking,
I
shaking.
open one.
It's shaking, shaking. Hold on. Shaking. Oh my God, this monkey. Monkey here.
Monkey.
Come on, we don't need this one. Let's keep it here. This one has monkey inside.
Monkey. Monkey.
This one has a monkey. We don't need. We don't want to open it. Don't open it. This one here has a monkey inside. My God.
Monkeys are so cute.
So this one, can you hear this one? What is this?
Lion.
It's not. Oh.
Let go.
We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need it. Keep it there. Keep it there. Don't open it. Maybe this one. What is this?
An elephant.
Elephants? Oh my God, the elephant is big. Keep it there.
No.
No, maybe this one. What is this?
Bear.
Bird. Oh my God.
No.
Don't open it. Don't open it. Keep it inside. Oh my God. Oh. No, I'm not gonna open this one. No. No.
If
You
another
know
one
what?
sounds like that,
Open this
maybe
one.
it's an horn owl.
Let's open this one. Let's open this one to see what inside. Oh my God. This one I can't hear anything. Maybe the animals and the animal is asleep.
Maybe the animal. Maybe the
Oh, I
animal.
have still have chocolate here. So this means it is no animal inside this egg. You know why? Because if it's animal, should eat in chocolate.
Let's see what's inside here.
Yeah, let's see. Squeeze it.
Let's be careful.
Squeeze it. Wow! You see? Wow!
Nothing dangerous.
Nothing dangerous. Nothing dangerous. Hey! Nothing dangerous.
We
We're
got
gonna
the
pick
right
this
one.
one. We have the right one. You take the instruction. You see how you still.
Wait, that one's a
We're gonna
lion.
still.
This one's a lion.
You fix it. No. This one. Leave it there. Leave it. Can you see the instruction? This is like a van. A beautiful van. Can you fix it for me? Because you're number one, you see?
I'm number one. I'm the candy queen.
Yes. Fix it. Fix it and pass it to me. Take it. How are you gonna do it? Gonna touch the chocolate. The chocolate is beautiful. Yummy. It looks yummy.
I saved some for the candy queen.
Looks yummy. Yummy, yummy.
You had to save some for the candy queen.
Yeah, of course.
And then you just put it like that simply.
Wow, that's all? You fix it?
Yep. Here you go. Now I had to do the other one. Maybe it will work on my precious candy floor.
Yeah.
I got a beautiful candy floor, guys. And if you want to subscribe, wait, let me try. Let the candy queen go. This is like a fan.
Bye guys, I hope you have a fun with us in this video. We're gonna see you in the next video. Make sure to
So give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye.
Bye from me. Bye from me. You have a good day.
Yep, you have a good day.
Bye.